guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a DIY. I'm making a gorgeous, beautiful chandelier. This is a collaboration that I'm doing with Cutie DIY, and I will link her channel in the description box below so you can check out her chandelier and all of her other great videos. If you haven't already, so please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'm going to be using this value pack of beads. This was from Michael's, and I strung them up and they look like this. I also got some chain from the hardware store, a bell, and I end up not using this, but you'll see it in the video in the beginning, but by the end I didn't bother with it. Using this tool here to cut the middle rungs out, as you see here on the wreath. There's 2 rows on the large one and 1 on the smaller wreath. After I cut these out, I'm going to spray down my wreaths with a white spray paint and then a silver on top, but truly the goal is to not see any of the metal when we're finished applying all the beads and garlands. So now that it's hanging, I'm going to try and attach my smaller wreath to the larger wreath. Glue to keep all the chains from wiggling around before I start applying the beads. So I thought I would start using my biggest beading or garlands around my chandelier, but I am actually going to be restringing it with this 19 gauge bead-alon. It's a coated wire. After stringing the beads on, you needed to add a different bead because the holes were too big in order to get your crimp bead and jump ring to stay. So I had to add this bead here, and I had to add a little tiny pearl on the end just so that it could stay and not fall apart. I also have this garland that I'm going to be using for my chandelier, and it is on this white string, and I just don't know about that, so I'm going to also restring it on this bead-alon. Now that my glass garland is attached, I'm going to start working on the pearls, and I'm just going to simply use my hot glue gun to put them on. And I'm just going to keep gluing pearls and layering them until I'm happy with how it looks. After a lot of hard work, the chandelier is finally completed, and I'm going to show you how I did the rest of it. So that bell that I had in the beginning over here with the chains through it, I decided it just wasn't going to work out, and that ended up coming off. At the top of the wreath here, to finish it off and hide that metal on the wreath, I decided to add these blue gems to tie in the blue coloring on the glass here and the blue pearls. So you can see I kind of just draped the pearls all around, added these that I strung by hooking them on. The same down here. I wrapped my pearls inside here. I wrapped my pearls on the inside wreath here, like I had showed you earlier. And then at the end, I added these like little disco ball type of ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and I added some chain to dangle them. The last thing I needed to do was I attached this little cup holder for like paper clips or push pins, and that's where my battery pack sits for the fairy lights. And I ended up covering my battery pack with the bling wrap. You really can't see it in here at all. It's very hidden. And the fairy lights that I got on here happen to have a 4-hour timer, which makes that awesome. So yeah, this is how it came out, guys. And I hung it right over my craft table, and I'm loving how it looks. I just want to get these walls painted and we'll be good. Alright guys, after working real hard on this chandelier for a few weeks, it's finally done. I love how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below. Let me know what you thought of my chandelier, and let me know if you would give this a try. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to you. I'll see you soon. Bye.